What's up? Welcome back once again to Hellboy Plays. In this series you can see my Need for Speed Most Wanted career, if you like to call it. So do check out my other playlist, which consists of FIFA 16 videos. So in this series, the NFS series, NFS Most Wanted series, I show you bits and pieces of the entire game that I play, because otherwise it will be awfully long. So here you can see a sprint race is coming up. We have already defeated the Most Wanted number 10, and now trying to gather enough points to challenge the Most Wanted number 9. So the sprint race begins, and I started with a crash. Beautiful. Yeah, I know I am still a bit rusty, but still it's okay. I mean, I'm in 7th. Let's see what we have in front of us. So yeah, nicely done. So I look confident, don't I? So I'm still driving the SRT. So it has been my lucky car, sort of. I defeated the Most Wanted number... Oh, that's a nice takedown, slam takedown. Well done, boy. So I defeated the Most Wanted number 10 with this one, and in the meantime I've crossed another of my opponents and another. Okay, that is not the best route, but still this will do. Yeah, get up, get on the road. Yeah, well done. Okay, so I am in the 3rd position now, nicely overtaken into 2nd. And can we do it? Another 3 kilometers to go, and I'm in the 1st place now. Oh, brilliant drifting. Brilliant drifting. I'm still... Oh, I went to 2nd. The other one is trying hard. Again, brilliant drifting there from the SRT. Who is driving it? I am. So anyway, so another checkpoint reached. 2.1 kilometers to go in the 1st place. The 2nd one is lurking just behind me. He will definitely try to overthrow my lead. Okay, this is rough. Okay, that was a very bad turning, and I did it all wrong, and I'm back to 3rd now. Damn it, that is not how I planned it to go. Anyway, no problem. Let's try and get this race back on track. Yup, I crossed the 2nd one. I am in the 2nd position now. I have one other person who is in front of me. I can see the smoke coming out from his... Hit the nitro, hit the nitro. Can he do it? Yes, I can, and I am leading, and I reached the finish line. Great. I mean, the last few seconds of that race was wonderful. So I get the points that I needed, and definitely I get the off-road tires as a bonus. So definitely I'll equip that. And let's see, where are we to next? And by the way, in this video definitely I'll show you a lot of cars that I came across. And okay, so we straightforward go to challenging the Most Wanted number 9. He is driving a Shelby Cobra, is it? Yep, should be. Okay, so we are starting off in a nuclear plant reactor sort of a thing. I'm not sure what it was, but anyway, here we go. Oh. The police has been informed of our race, it seems. They're already on our tails. No problem. Okay, that guy drives very well. Yeah, he's the Most Wanted number 9. What do you expect? He'll drive like really bad? Or, I mean, like a normal driver? No. There's a reason why he is... Okay, I got it. Oh, damn. I got my car painted and then had a crash. Okay, another crash. Come on. Go. Okay, the police now ram me and taken down, but will I get busted? No. Go. Yup. Okay, avoided the bust. But the police are adamant they will get me. A roadblock that I avoided. And this police car, okay, I believe he's in the wrong lane now, and I can see my opponent over there. Nice drifting, crossed him into 1st position. 6 kilometers to go. So still a lot of way to go. Another roadblock that I managed to avoid. And okay, I need to take the right lane. Yep, I did, but very badly, and my opponent crossed me in the meantime. I should have taken that one earlier. Okay, that's a crash. I believe the police car was the guilty party over there. Damn it. Okay, I'll avoid you also. Oh, let's go. Okay, that was a nice takedown. T-bone takedown. But anyway, I have police on my ass. And I'm trailing the most wanted number 9. Can we do it? Oh, brilliant drifting there. Anyway, go, 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 go. There's still a lot of ground to make up. Okay, that was a stupid crash. I just straight ahead went in and banged into that car. That was really, really, really bad. I mean, seriously bad driving skills. No problem. Can we get it? Okay, the police car was there to catch me but couldn't. You cannot match my speed. Okay, so another police car avoided the roadblock. Time to hit the nitro. No. Okay, drifting chance. Okay, I banged the wall, but still it's okay. I mean, it's okay. I hit the wall, but I'm in the first place now. Oh, brilliant drifting. 2 kilometers to go. I'm in the first position. So can we? Okay. Oh, great. That roadblock was avoided. Hadn't I avoided that, then it could have punctured my tires. Anyway, no worries. Another roadblock. Yeah, I'll avoid that. Thank you very much. Be on track. You're doing well. Go, go, go. Okay, he crossed me. Just with a half of a kilometer left. He just crossed me. I need to get back in the race. Okay, I crossed him then. I can see the finish line. Go, 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 go. Hit the nitro. Yup. Done it. Well done. So I beat the Shelby Cobra 427, and I am the most wanted number 9 now. But as you can remember, we need to shut him down in order to get his car. So I'll try that. I'll move forward, fast forward this thing. Okay, so we are already in a chase, and okay, I crossed him. This is something that I do regularly. I mean, I cross my opponent's car and then I again chase him back. Last time also we saw that. Okay, this is a good chance. Hit him. Yup. Yes, it's done. He has been shut down. I get his car. Good day. Okay, so let's move on to another sequence of the gameplay. Okay, I'm choosing a car that I got. That will be the Corvette. No, I won't select the Corvette. Yup, I'll select this one. This is the Lamborghini Gallardo. Yep, I discovered it at one of the jackspots. So I'll just quickly show you. Yep, I do have that. You better be very, very, very jealous of me. So this is one of the finest cars that you can get in the game. It has got excellent attributes. So anyway, let's just zoom around with the Gallardo a bit. Let's try not to hit it anywhere. Anyway, so let's move on. Oh, wonderful drifting. What control. Okay, so this one looks cool, but a better color would be... Oh, nicely done. A better color would be even better. So I smashed 2 billboards over there. Okay, fast forward. I am approaching another car, and this is the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. So this is another car that I wanted to show you, that I found in one of the jackspots. I'll show you a lot of cars over here. And now time for the next one. Okay, you can see my Corvette approaching a Tesla car, and it is the Tesla Roadster Sport. This is one heck of a ride, ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you. Brilliant car. And here my Tesla approaches another car. It's an Audi, but what do we have here? By the way, this is the best car that I have had till now, the Audi R8 GT Spider. This one and the Gallardo comes in close, but I try to prefer the Audi R8 GT Spider even more than the Gallardo. Okay, I believe another car is on its way, so you can see me fly over there, smash that billboard, and we approach another car. Oh, I hit it, by the way. Anyway, no problem. So this one is a Ford. What is it? Mustang Boss CO2. Sorry, 302. Apologies. So I've got a Mustang also. So the fleet is really looking nice. By the way, we head towards a circuit race now. So Crush Hour is the name of the race. Let the race begin. So what am I driving? Yep, I'm driving the Audi one. As I told you, this is the car that I prefer the most right now. So I'm driving the Audi R8 GT Spider. It's a 3-lapped race. So there will be a lot of ground to cover. I mean a lot of road to cover rather. So anyway, so putting everyone behind, I'm into the second position, but somebody... Okay, I'm into the first position. Great news. Somebody was trying to push me out of the road, but they failed. And the Audi R8 GT Spider is just blazing through the road. Okay, you get to turn that wisely. I crashed. I couldn't. Damn it. Anyway, go. Let's start. Okay, so someone overtakes me and I'm... Okay, a lot of people overtook me. It seems I'm back to 6th. Come on, we are in the first lap still. We'll be approaching. Okay, we start the second lap now. So the second lap is underway and I'm still at 6th. This will not be good. Okay, drifted. Managed to keep the car on the road thanks to the wall over there. But still, 6th position, lap 2 going on. On to 5th now. Okay, on to 4th now. Well done. This has been a nice stretch. Go. Get them. Still at 4th. This won't be good enough. I mean, we need a first or a second finish at least. Okay, on to 3rd and a slam takedown. That person, okay, a shunt takedown over here. Into 2nd now. That was awful turn. And again back to 6th. I went ahead. Okay, now the police is in the way. This is something which I hate. When I'm racing, you stay out of my way. Once I finish it, then you chase my ass off. There is absolutely no problem. Okay, they're trying to box me. 3 of them. Come on, you've got to be serious. But 2 or 3 takedowns over there. And another one. Yep, another one. Great. And I'm at 5th. The final lap is going on. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to improve and I need to improve now. On to 3rd, by the way. Nicely drifted. 2 more people in front of me. Can I get ahead? No, I crashed. I cannot get ahead. I again crashed, damn it. Okay, so not as bad as I feared. I'm still at 4th. Last lap going on. Can I get one of those bonus modifications for my car? On to 3rd position now. Again, I have 2 more people to beat in front of me. This is the last lap. Do remember that. Okay, I beat 1. I'm into 2nd position. 1 ahead. Can we do it? Can we do it? Hit the nitro. He's neck and neck with me. I can do it. Yes, I did it. Finished 1st, baby. So I got both of the modifications. Yep, equip them and equip them fast. This is going to be my car for a while, as I believe. This is a really wonderful piece of miracle. Okay, so this is one of the car police chases that I would like to show you. This is just the ending part that I'm showing you, but by the end of it you'll see the statistics. This one went for a long time. I went up to the wanted level 5 in this one and immobilized a lot of cars. So I'll let you see this ending statistics of the chase. I believe it was okay to cool down. Good news. So I believe it was around 17-18 minutes and I had immobilized around 15 something police cars on my way. Okay, I've got a nice spot. Go, get in. Yep, let it cool down. Okay, so we have another car coming up that I would like to show you. Another car that I found out in the jack spot that I'll show you after this thing gets over with. So do watch it. Watch the rest of it. Thanks a lot everyone for seeing this. Do subscribe to the channel if you're liking what I'm doing. And do hit that like button as hard as you can. Thanks a lot. Signing off. Hellboy Plays.
All units in code 3 pursuit. Vehicle has not been located. Return to duties until further notice.
Those interceptors